Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program a Nissan Maxima key fob. Start with the driver door closed and all doors shut, and keep both keys nearby. Insert the original key into the ignition and remove it 6 times, ending with the key inserted. Open and close the driver door 4 times, then insert the new fob and press the lock button to finalize the programming sequence. Follow these step-by-step instructions in a calm manner to avoid repeating the sequence. Cycle the key in the ignition precisely as described, then enter programming mode by turning the ignition to ACC once prompted. Press the lock button on each new fob within 5 seconds to register it, then turn the ignition off and test the remote functions from a few feet away to ensure the fob responds reliably. If you run into problems, stay patient and methodical while retracing your steps. Replace the fob battery and repeat the programming sequence exactly, watching timing and door cycles carefully. Confirm fob compatibility and consider trying another known working key to isolate issues. And remember that dealer or locksmith tools can diagnose deeper faults if the vehicle refuses to accept a new fob after multiple.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.